And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What you running here, man?
I am running 4 concrete C3s, 15s, and they're not that loud. But I'll let you hear them if you're ready.
I thought I heard you from outside. You said they ain't that loud.
They ain't that loud. What you want?
Whatever you got.
I don't know. Pick something on that list. Just scroll it. There's a lot there, so if you want to go.
demo, man. I ain't never had a demo.
No. Okay, so if you want a little backstory here,
Yeah.
I started a year ago. Made a Steel was my first show ever last year. I started with 2 Walmart Kicker Comp C15s in a prefab box with an amp that was only RMS in 396, right?
Yeah.
And it had 2 35 amp fuses in it. Now I'm running 2 Teramp 8Ks on these right here, so I'm RMS in 3500 to 4K each sub. I'm breaking 155. Yeah.
I don't know. I ain't been in 3 years yet. About 2 years in, pretty much.
I'm not even a full year. 27 this month will be a full year. I'm running an American Bass BFL 3K on my doors right here.
Yeah.
So I'm not doing too bad, man.
That's a new bass knob, right? That they came out with.
That's a Teramp knob. So I got a Teramp knob on my bass, and I've
So
got
you got
another.
two surround bass amps right there, right?
Oh, this one knob runs the bass, and this runs my doors.
Okay, you got 2 amps back there for your bass. 2 amps is just one.
Yeah, I got 2 amps.
It is,
so I got
one knob?
2 amps, 1 knob. So everything stays tuned.
So you got a splitter in the back. What it is, though.
Open that back door right there. You can see.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Some running low power, but that was music.
And another thing, I noticed you were able to run your air.
Oh, no, I love my air, bro. I
Yeah.
gotta have my air.
Yeah, I know. You know, some people are sacrificing to air.
And I was still running 13.8 on my air.
It was still going. I seen that.
Huh? Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can get my fucking generator to work. It wasn't working a minute ago. So close that door. I'm gonna try. We're gonna try something. I don't know if it's gonna work because it ain't been working right.
Yeah.
It ain't working right now, and I don't know why. All right, we gotta run through a stupid ass commercial because I'm running.
Oh yeah, I know how that is.
I'm running a tone generator, so we'll see if I can get some juice out of this.
You getting rid of it. You going with something different after this?
Well, this is just a tone, so we'll see what happens.
I didn't know you were going with different fills. I know you said you were selling them.
Oh yeah, no, I'm trying to get I'm selling them because I want to move up to some Sundown U's.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Right. It's not gonna. I don't know why it's not running.
Had you not wanted it to work, it would have worked with it.
It worked earlier, but for some reason it's not working. I think there might be a lot of people using
Yeah, it's
it.
congested out here.
Yeah, there might be a lot of people using it. So we will. Oh, I got you. I don't have a 33, but that's not bad.
Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, that's real good, man. Yeah, they do real good though.
They do real good. I'm selling them for 14.
Just let them go.
Dude, that's dirt cheap because they 600 new. That's $2,400.
Yeah, you know.
Buy from me from 14.
You almost in them half price.
You're saving $1,000.
Yeah.
They broke in. They ready to run. They're not beat up because I don't like when I'm not at a show. I don't really play them that much.
Just ride and cruise with it.
Yeah, just like you said, ride cruise down the road.
Yeah, when you're at a show, you don't. When you're at a show, you'll just go hard in it most of the time. Anyway.
Because normally I'd be playing like this. Me and my son love this song, and it ain't nothing fancy, baby. We love it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you cruise around right there. It sounds good in the doors and everything.
Thank you.
Yeah, sir. You on social media anywhere they can follow you?
Yeah, I'm in ACCL. I'm on Facebook. whatever.
What's your name on there?
Dallas Watson.
Okay, y'all be sure to give him a follow. I know I try to tag him. That's good seeing you, bro.
You too, man.
Yeah, what's the
Thank
next
you.
show you?
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
wrong.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell him.
And you got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.